Any requests out there anybody want to hear? Somebody said Blue Railroad Train.
Anything off acoustics?
That blue railroad train, you're going down the railroad track. It makes me feel so doggone blue to listen to that old smokestack. The drivers are rolling on, leaving me here behind. They get me back them good old days and let me ramble down the line. That blue railroad train, you're leaving me here alone. You treat me good, you treat me bad, you're making me think of home. I hear that lonesome train, I love to hear the whistle blow. She's taking the sun and beating the rain, and making me wanna go. Well, I got the blues, longing for some company. It's many miles from where I am to the only one for me. I'm so lonesome here, waiting for the manifest. I hope that engineer is kind enough to let me be his guest. That blue railroad train, a good old pal of me. You take me everywhere I wanna go, get my transportation free.